Well, I hope I don't ruin my drone, but here we go. About 10 miles an hour. Don't want to take it much further than faster than that right now. This is the first day I've been flying it. I took it on a walk earlier with me around the lake, which I'll post with this video. Let's see if I can tell it to go on the side of me. Whoops. Wonder if it'll go in front of me. Now I'll tell it to get behind me. Uh-oh. Just lost it. Now I'm gonna have to go back, park the bike, and find the drone. It's right in here somewhere. Park the bike. Let's see if I can find it. It's a good enough test for now. Well, luckily there's no damage to the drone. She still looks perfect. I'll have to get better at the tracking stuff with this, but I'm going to shut her off and put her away. The lens cap back on. Should have just left it in follow mode, not trying it to do all kinds of fancy moves. In that case, it probably wouldn't have crashed into that tree right there, the branch. And it'd be hard for its obstacle avoidance system to see that branch because it doesn't have any leaves on it this time of year. All right. Well, since I got the bike out, I'm going to have fun taking just a little short ride anyway.